everyone. I welcome you all in another session of Voices and Visions. Voices and Visions is an interview series which is started by our club Learn and Lead, where we aim to provide our students a supportive and stimulating environment where they can be engaged in meaningful conversations. And today I have my another guest, our lovely, dynamic Shreyansh. Shreyansh has already made a profound impact as in speaker. He has made a profound impact as in speaker. He also received an award in our previous event which was held on the Children's Day this year. So here he is with us. Hi Shreyansh, how are you?
Hi ma'am. Hey everyone, my name is Shanjay and I am today with Rekha ma'am to share my experiences, thoughts and everything that I know with you. I am curious to know that what Rekha ma'am has in her store for me, and I know that if I'm talking to Rekha ma'am, there's something unusual should happen.
I'm so glad to have you here Shreyansh,
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
I can see that you are excited enough.
Yeah, I'm excited, but I know this will be a hard conversation between you and me.
It's not going to be hard, it's going to be very exciting
Yeah,
and interesting.
yeah.
So
Yes.
chill, be comfortable. So Shreyansh, how are you feeling today?
Ma'am, I'm feeling well. How about you?
I'm feeling very excited. I'm so glad, and I'm in cloud 9 to have you here.
Okay. I'm
So
also
Shreya,
very excited to
You're
have
excited?
you with me.
Yeah, absolutely. So tell me something about you, Shreyansh. Who is Shreyansh Jain?
I am Shanjan and I am passionate about public speaking skills and so many skills. I have so many things to share with you. I have a very bond with you. I have a very strong bond with you as my public speaking teacher. So that's the things that today I'll gonna share you with you.
Okay, Shreyansh, tell me something about your family.
My family are the supporting pieces for me. They support me in every condition. In my family, I have my mother, father, and my younger sister. My father's name is Vikash Kumar Jain. He's a businessman and also a very helpful father for me. My mother's name is Lakshmi Jain. She's a housewife and she is the one who always helps me in doing all these things. Like today also I am here, she was preparing me for this. From the morning she woke up too early and she was preparing me. So she helped me a lot. And my younger sister Rajvi, she's the most like, if I am sad or something, she always tell me, oh what happened Bhaiya, like that. Like my whole family is something a jigsaw puzzle. When we all four come together, it's a complete family.
Oh, that's so nice, Shreyansh. So you mean to say your family is very supportive and very
Yeah.
encouraging?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the beauty of a family. You
Yeah.
know,
And
you need them every time, every time. Okay, Shreyansh, I know there are a lot of good things about you. I've seen your
Yeah.
qualities. I know what are you good at. But what is one thing you like the most about yourself?
one thing I like most about myself is that I know how to behave in situations. Like sometimes I've seen people behaving unusual in some situations. Like I went somewhere in a party and there people are making fun of those and that do not look good in those situations. And according to me, I am a person who know how to behave in those situations. I know how to say people. I know how to interact with them. And according to me, that's the main property of me that makes me Shreyansh.
That is humanity, Shreyansh. You must know how to behave with this specific person.
Yeah.
Because people will always remember how you treated them. Okay? This is one thing everyone will remember.
And in this world, you should always make a positive impact of yourself on everyone.
Of course, absolutely, Shreyansh. So, Shreyansh, I know you have lots of good habits.
Yeah.
So, is there any habit of you want to change?
Yeah, there's one, and this is a problem that I want to change from so many years. I'm trying a lot. It's time management. Okay, I have speaking about time management. I'm so good at like doing some things, but I cannot manage the time for activities. Like my whole day is a mess. A whole day is a mess, and I'm trying to complete it. And whenever I'll do it, I'll be the perfect for according to me. No one is perfect, but if I'll do it, then I'll be a perfect for me.
Okay.
Time management.
Fine. So, you want to be organized.
Yeah, I want to organize everything. I want to organize my classes, my personal time, my homework, like everything should be in a manner.
Of course, it's very much needed thing,
Yeah.
you know. So even in long term, further in your life, you need time management a lot. It's very important thing.
That's the-
Yeah. Okay, Shreyansh, what do you want to become when you grow up? Can you give us a little idea about your goals, about your dreams? So, have you set?
I want to become a person who will make a positive impact on this world. Whatever I be a engineer, I be a scientist, I be a doctor, anything I be, but that should make a positive impact on this world. So for this, I'm trying to be a UPSC aspirant, and my dream is to be a IPS officer. And
Oh.
by doing this, I can make this country a more pleasure place to live. In this country, so many crimes are happening day by day, and the crime rates are increasing. So if I know one person cannot do it much, but if one person is also standing, that can at least make a half world a bit good for people.
Definitely, even if one thought, even one person can
Yeah.
start it. Because our society is created by just one single. When they all come together, that makes it society.
That's the real.
So even a one positive thought can give a great impact. Okay, so that's a very nice thought that you want to become an IPS officer.
Yeah.
And you want to be a UPSC aspirant. So are you doing anything to prepare for that exams? Not now, I'm sure. Not now, but
now.
still.
But I'm thinking that when like before the metric only, I am also following some UPSC aspirants. They are now IPS officers. I'm learning their behavior. I'm learning to how they speak. I'm learning how they react with the situations. So that will help me when I'll choose the UPSC track. That will help me that time I'll not be in a panic that now what I'll be already prepared.
You'll be prepared.
Yeah.
Definitely. Very nice thought, Shreyansh.
Yeah.
And if I give you a chance, okay, any chance, so to change this world, what would you like to change in the world? What is something you do not like at all, and you feel like that this is something I want to change in the world?
Discrimination. In this world, so many people are discriminated every day, every hour, every minute. They're discriminated, and by this, so many people are living in depressions. They're mentally weak, and this I really want to change. I can't see people discriminate. If we go somewhere, the lower peoples are discriminated. When we go somewhere, the higher people are discriminated, and this discrimination should be stopped. We all are living in one earth. That earth is not discriminating us to give resources. So why we are discriminating our people to take the resources?
Definitely, it's a very deep thought, and it's a very strong thought that you want to treat people with equality.
Yeah,
Equality is much needed.
yeah,
People make discriminations on the basis of
Caste,
religion, caste,
color,
creed, financial
gender.
status. You know, there is racism still prevailing. So yes, of course, these changes are much needed, and it's you, the youth, the next generation of the youth generation of our country. They can do anything to bring those change, because we are trying our best, but now it's in your hands. The future is in your hands. Yeah.
And
So have you faced any such situation, like you talked about equality or discrimination? Have you faced any such situation? Because I know you have gone through a lot. Okay, since your childhood you have gone through a lot. So is there anything you want to share with our viewers, with your friends and family, that this is what you have gone through, and now this is something you really want to uproot from the society? Any challenge you faced?
like it's not about me, but we were in Calcutta. We were in Calcutta for our appointment, and their hospitals were treating people not equally. It was a government hospital. There one doctor that was a very good doctor for the burns, so that's why we went there. And there, I really personally I saw that it was a government, so that's why the lower caste people, the ones which don't have the money to be admit the persons in private, they're coming there, and the nurses and the staff members are not treating them equally. And I was saying that I am also a patient, they are also a patient, so why am I treated like this and why they are treated like that? So I really feel bad that is it me doing that or is it the whole world? So from that time I thought that if I am, then I'll change myself, And if it's the world, then I'll be the one who will change these things.
Definitely, these pure intentions, these are going to bring revolutions in the world.
Yeah.
So, all the best, Shreyansh. You have a good thought, and I'm sure you're going to bring these changes which you really want to bring.
I just need lucks, and I'm able to do that.
And if I give you power to invent something new, what it would be?
See, till now, whatever I've told about the people. So now also I'm going to tell about them only. In countries about Nigeria, Africa, and so many South Africa, so many countries are not having water. They're having water scarcity, and there are so many large oceans, seas, rivers. From that, my personal dream is to be that if I get a chance to invent something, I'll invent pipes. I'll invent large tunnels to transfer water from the oceans to those countries with people in need, and the water will be purified by a system like the air is purified. The water will be purified, and they'll be getting water to survive. They'll be having water to drink, wash clothes, wash their cutleries, and whatever they are needing resources to cook foods. They will have a better life, and this world will be the better place for live.
Of
They will not
course.
think that they are better, they are not better. They will think we are also the ones.
Obviously, water is a basic necessity.
Yeah.
You know, there are a lot of countries, they are suffering from scarcity of water. Even in India, there are lots of states which are suffering from scarcity of water. There are lots of villages where people do not get clean drinking water. So your thoughts are really, really going to bring a big change in the society. I'm sure you're going to work on your thought. Whatever you are speaking today, I'm sure in the future you're going to work on that. Are you?
Definitely.
Okay,
Definitely.
very good. So Shreyansh, my next question to you is, you want to become successful?
Yeah, everyone wants
Everyone
to become
wants
successful.
to become. So what is your definition of success?
Success is something when you achieve, when you're happy, when you're happy with your day-to-day life, when you're happy that you're seeing your parents, feeling proud of yourself. Success is when you not achieve everything. Success is when you achieve a little bit also, but when you're making everyone proud of yourself and you're making yourself also proud. That's the real success for me.
Of course. Yeah, of course. Success. Everybody has different definition of success, but yes, success is a journey. It is
Yeah.
not a destination.
And many people think that I have failed this time, whatever what I'll do for the next. But the failure is a stepping stone.
Of course. Yeah.
Even many people like to fail, because if they will fail 4 to 5 times, that is also less. Fail as many times as you can, and after in the future you will see that those made you the hardest person to survive the situations.
Absolutely. Failures make you stronger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in
Failures
this-
are the small but the significant pieces that are going to shape your future. So failures, of course, are important. This is a very great message Shreyansh is giving. Failures are important. Fail as many times as you want.
But not feel like you're failing only, not passing it.
Of course. I mean, fail like you become stronger.
Yeah.
Every time when
Fail
you
to become
fail, you
stronger.
become stronger. Yeah.
Always think
Remember,
for
so do not
yourself.
worry about the failures. If you want to be successful, fail. First experience the failures.
Even I also, to be a I'm not perfect public speaker, but to be in that position, I fail at least so many times.
Of course.
I fail in front of you also so many times.
We all are learning. Nobody is perfect. We
That's
all
the
are
thing,
learning. You are
that's the
learning.
thing.
I'm learning. We all are learning. It's an endless process. Learning is an endless process. You can learn as long as you want.
Till your breaths are going
Of
on,
course,
you have
of course.
to.
Yes. So Shreyansh, my next question to you is, if you could go back in time and give one advice to your younger self, what it would be?
If I get a chance to go back in time and give advice to my younger self, it would be that think beyond your limits. Like when I was young, I thought that this world is only this much. I'll not be able to go those far. Like my dreams were the dreams of a normal person now, that I like a child I was, but I wanted to become something different from the society. I wanted to give the society a change. For that, I would go back in time and say that think beyond your limits. Try to bring a change, because no, that doesn't matter that you're old, you're young. You just have to think for that.
Of course. So you have faced a lot of challenges as a child in your childhood.
Yeah, I
Yeah. So is it any advice you want to give to your younger self at that time? Because
yeah.
maybe you were frustrated, because I've seen you as a child, you know, and I know your mother, how much your mother prayed for you and what she did for you. Whatever you are today, I think it's a major contribution of your mother. And of
Even-
course, your self-will was important, but your mother played a great role in that.
Even I also respect my mother, my whole family with my whole respect due. My father, my mother, my sister, I all respect them so much. Uh, it happens that I sometimes argue with them, but in my heart now, the first place is for my parents and for my teachers, because they build me. Every person is like a building, and the teachers, the parents, they build that.
Of course, of course, of course.
And I have so many hands to build me. So many hands I have. If I start to take the names, the list will never end only.
It's an endless list.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Shreyansh, what is something you're really good at that might surprise people?
I'm good at solving puzzles, like the ones which come in newspapers, magazines, or sometimes in phones. I'm good at solving puzzles, even this Rubik's Cube also. I'm good
Okay.
at solving these. And I'll tell you one thing. I've seen this research also. The ones who are good at solving these, they can solve the life problems easily. And the life is full of problems. We should solve them. And please, everyone should practice at least to solve them.
If at this age you have this kind of better understanding of life and people and situation and how to treat, what to do, not what to do, so you have this kind of understanding, if at this age, I'm sure you're going to go a long way with this kind of pure intentions and strong thoughts.
And I am clear with my thoughts. If I
Of course you
thought
should
that
be.
I will, then I will do.
You should be clear with your thoughts,
And everyone should be also.
of course. So what is your favorite thing to do outside school when you get time?
Okay. Actually, it's not my favorite. It's my family's favorite also. We love to see nature. We always go to road trips. Even I'll tell you my personal story. One day, actually, we didn't went out of Dibrugarh for so many times. So me and mother said that we are not going anywhere. We are getting bored. So Papa said, okay, let me see. Then next morning, that was, I don't know, it was a Sunday, so we wake up early. I don't know how, but we wake up early, and Papa said, chalo chalte hai. And I said, where? Then we just get in the car, hopped into the car, and we went to Kaziranga.
Okay.
There we had lunch, we played a lot, and there we come. And at the night I said, Papa, you're doing anything. Anything. In the morning I was sleeping, you said chalo, and we went to Kaziranga without.
But those quick plans are
That's
exciting.
yeah. And Papa said that tumko hi jana tha. Then we went. So I also said हाँ से.
This makes our lives beautiful, you know.
And these small
These
memories
small
only
memories,
will be.
you still remember,
Yeah.
because it was such a quick plan. You still
Yeah.
remember. You're talking about it, so of course
That's the
it
thing.
made a great impact on your
And
mind,
even my
right?
father also loves to do journey. Our whole family, we all go outside so many times. Like even my father also loves journey. My mother also loves journey. And as my father died now, my mother is also like dissolved like that. That if he'll say, then we have to go only, because journey is that we all are together.
Of course, of course.
And life is also a journey.
Life is a journey, definitely. So, if you could travel anywhere in the world, what would you choose for you?
Japan.
Which place you would choose for you?
I would definitely choose Japan.
Oh, I love Japan. Even I want to go to Japan. I have never been to Japan.
I love the technology. Even Japan and Singapore, I went there and I've seen that Singapore's technology is so good. Their water fountain, like their structures their structures are so, I can't say that how builders are making that, but the whole mind is in that only. The buildings, they're so tall and they're so good. And from Japan, it's the high tech. It's the world's most high tech city in world. And there I want to go because, as I told you, my dreams are to make the people happy, and I want to learn about technologies. technology are the ones which will shape our future. So the more
definitely.
you'll know about technology, the more you are going to grow in the future.
Absolutely. Japan is a technologically high-tech city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And its culture is also so good. It's a rich historical city.
Those people
It's
are
like
very,
country.
very, very calm and
Yeah.
very intelligent. They're damn intelligent
They
people.
stay all the time calm. They don't speak anything, but they speak by their monuments.
Monuments.
They speak there by powers.
Yeah, of course. They do that. And in the last, I would like to ask you, what is something you're grateful in your life right now?
I'm grateful that I'm here. I'm really grateful. I'm grateful in my life for that I'm here.
Of course, you have gone through a lot
Like,
of
I've
challenges in your
suffered so
life.
much.
You have suffered a lot.
I thought that how I'll be, but now I'm standing here. That's a very different thing. My parents helped me, my teachers, like
You would like to mention one teacher, any one teacher that, or any one doctor, anyone?
doctor. She was not my doctor. She was like my aunt. She helped me a lot. She helped me for 2 years. Like this, she was Ritu auntie. Ritu Loya, she is in Dibrugarh only. She helped the Burns people. She helped me a lot. I'll never forget her span. And as the teacher who helped me to stand here was a yoga teacher, Basu, her name was. His name was Basu sir. He helped me a lot. He stretched my body, helped me a lot, and even so many teachers, my tuition teachers. You gave me this confidence. I was not confident at all. I was so shy. Even you also should know.
I know.
And you gave me this confidence. Confidence mode on. That's the tagline. You gave
Because
me
you
that.
worked hard for it, okay? Until and unless you are not willing to do anything, you will never be. Nobody can make you do that thing, okay?
Yeah.
So because you were willing, I just contributed. I just give you a little push, and you just excelled in everything. Yeah. Okay. Now, Shansh, we have a little rapid fire round for you. Let me ask you a few questions. I will not show you the answers. I'll give you two options. Okay. You have to choose one option. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see how many right answers you can give me. I'll ask you 10 questions now.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so your questions goes like that. Just a minute. It's a simple question I'm asking you.
Okay.
Fun question. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be? Albert Einstein or Leonardo da Vinci?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Why?
I want to ask why you made Mona Lisa.
Why you made Mona Lisa?
Why?
Okay, fine. You watch movies?
Yeah. I love to watch movies.
Okay, fine. Who painted the famous painting The Starry Nights? Leonardo da Vinci or Vincent van Gogh?
Vincent van Gogh.
Right. Absolutely right. So, one right answer. What is the capital of France? Berlin or Paris?
Paris.
Two right answers. Which planet is known as Red Planet? Earth or Mars?
Mars.
Again, right answer.
These are easy. Now you'll ask harder.
No, I'm not going to ask you any hard questions. Okay? Which cricketer is known as the god of cricket? Sachin Tendulkar?
Sachin Tendulkar. No need other.
Okay. Who is the only tennis player to achieve a golden slam? Shall I give you options?
Yeah, what do you expect?
Steffi Graf or Serena Williams?
Steffi Graf.
Yes, right. Which
This was
boxer?
just a guess.
But fortunately, it was
Yeah.
right.
My luck always stands with me.
Okay. Who is the... Okay. Which boxer won world titles in 8 different weight divisions? Muhammad Ali or Manny Pacquiao?
Muhammad Ali. Wrong. Oh my
Option B.
God. जानते
Many.
ही नहीं मैं कौन हूँ.
What has keys but can't open locks? Keyboard or a piano?
Keyboard.
What is the process called when plants make their own food?
Photosynthesis?
Absolutely right. Who is the author of the book The Alchemist? Have you heard about this book, Alchemist? It's a very famous book.
No.
No?
Not heard it right now.
Who is the author of this book? Paulo Coelho or J.K. Rowling?
Hint, please.
I'm giving you two options.
Okay.
Paulo Coelho or J.K. Rowling?
J.K. Rowling? Oh
Paulo Coelho. What is the largest living structure on Earth? What is the largest living structure on Earth?
Options?
Giving you an option. Okay. I just missed that question. Is it Amazon? Rainforest? Is it Amazon rainforest or the Great Wall of China?
Amazon rainforest.
Yeah. Okay.
It has a very vast number of species of animals.
Yeah, it's a very
Like-
huge forest.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the author of book called? Illustrator or writer?
This is going to be wrong, I think. So.
Huh?
Options, can you repeat?
What is the author of book called? Illustrator or writer? Author of book called illustrator or writer?
Writer.
Very good. Thank you, Shreyansh. This was the last question, and you almost gave me eight
Eight.
right answers and two
Two
wrong.
wrong.
So, in the last, would you like to give any message to the audience?
One message. One message I would like to give you all, that if you are dreaming of something to make the change, to change the world, so please start working on them, because your changes will make this world the best place. Even if you, from any one of you will also stand now, the world will be changed. So please work on your dreams of which you are thinking to do.
Work on your dreams. This is the message of this interview series. Work on your dreams. Yeah. So with this, I wrap up this session here with a promise to see you again very soon with another host here. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. Before ending, I would like to give this book to Shreyansh, The Time Machine, H.G. Wells.
Yeah.
Shreyansh, I'm sure you're going to read this book.
Yeah, ma'am.
And this customized cup for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
S is written here.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.